We were really inspired by the Waldorf Astoria brand when we created the Bywater restaurant here at the Waldorf Astoria Lusail. Our architecture team, WATG, had already started to plan this restaurant space, but our relationship and the collaboration that we had was really incredible. We had the opportunity to move columns around and really create the restaurant from the inside out. The building is really curvaceous and sinuous and quite sculptural, which is an incredible design opportunity, but it also has its challenges. So we've responded to those curves, but also creating a restaurant within a circular space does have some difficulties when trying to have a functional dining experience. The other challenges that we've had here in this restaurant is that we have an incredible curved wall of glazing which lets a lot of natural light in. We wanted the guests to be able to look out and onto the pool and the terrace. We really wanted to allow the natural light to flow into the space and create different atmosphere of dining experiences. We have a lot of black and white sort of graphic moments through stone on the floor, but also through some of our joinery. And then we've layered that with an idea of what some of the color elements are visible in Qatar. It's almost reminiscent of some of the desert landscape, desert vegetation, and how that sun-bleached color palette is brought into the restaurant. When we started to think about that sequence and experience through the space, we really thought about creating these moments of almost light and shadow. So as guests arrive into that first moment, it's a really intimate timber-lined space. They open up some doors and move through to a beverage experience where there's tea, Arabic coffee, fresh juices, and slowly start to move beyond there into the main dining room where we are between the animated kitchen and these incredible views out onto the terrace and the pool. So this is really quite animated here. It's the buzz of the restaurant. And then finally, our signature private dining room is really that moment of dinner parties that are quite intimate. The Wimberly Interiors signature is really evident here. We really approach every project, whether it be large or small, with an understanding of the identity, the personality of the space, but also the brand aspirations that we're working with. Our client and working relationship with Waldorf Astoria was really incredible for this project. I think we really had a lot of trust and faith in the story that we had told. We had taken both the client and the brand on that journey with us with the initial story and throughout the process over the last 5 years. And not only did we gain their trust, but we had given our trust in the sort of process too. And I think it's evident in the creation of the space and the significance of this restaurant.